how to test your up and down wall light LED with a multimeter. Okay, on the multimeter you want to plug in the black probe to the COM port and the red probe into the measurement port. And on the digital multimeter we're going to turn it to diode. So that is the symbol right there, so you want to point it to that position. And then we're going to use the probe right here and we're going to test the LED light. So the red one goes into the positive side and the black one goes into the negative side. So here, positive and negative. And this one here shows that the LED is currently working. Now with this one here, you will notice that when I put on the positive and negative, nothing happens. Now this is because with this LED right here, it requires a stronger power, stronger voltage, and the multimeter does not have enough power to allow me to test with this particular LED. So what we can do is use an adapter. So here I have a 12 volt adapter. This is just my Wi-Fi adapter or the Wi-Fi camera adapter. So we're just gonna plug it in like that and I'm going to test it. So we got the positive and the negative here. So let's zoom right in. So this is a 12 volt power. Here we have another one right here. So positive and negative. That is a bit more yellow. So this is a 3000 and this one here is a 4000. And that's it. So this is coming from an adapter. So this is coming from my Wi-Fi camera adapter, 12 volt adapter, and the multimeter unfortunately does not have enough power to test this particular light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.